art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw romance from K-pop demon hunters. So we're going to get started with the eyes, and on the left hand side we're going to draw in a nice big circle. We're going to leave a gap coming across on the right and just replicating that. On the inside corner now, we're going to draw in a small circle for the highlight. And then we're going to draw one more slightly smaller coming down on a diagonal. Let's move up and draw in the hair now. So for the bangs, we're going to start in the center, bringing this line up, around, and down past our eye. And then from the middle again coming up, we're going to replicate that, curving this all the way around, bringing that back in towards the point on the bottom. Let's close off the bottom of the face, arching this around and through towards the right. Let's draw in the nose in the middle. We're going to draw in a curved line right in the center. And then coming underneath for the mouth, drawing in a nice big arch line. Now let's draw on the eyebrows. So on the left hand side, we're going to curve this line up, around, bringing that back down. We'll do the same on the right, arching that up, around, and then back down. Underneath the center of the hair now, we're going to curve this line across towards the right, as well as on the left. Now let's move over and draw on the ears. So we're going to draw in a half circle on the side. On the top, let's curve this over and out. And then stepping below that, just drawing in a small half circle. We're going to draw in the earring now, so just a small teardrop shape on the bottom. Now in the center, closing out the top of the head, we're going to curve this line out, down, and over towards the left. And then we'll do the same on the right, bringing this out, down, and across. From that point, curving that back in towards the ear. Now let's move down and draw in the body. So we're going to start with the inside of the cardigan, curving this down and in on both sides, joining that at a point. We're going to draw in a small heart right in the center for the pendant. And then to close off that pendant, we're just going to draw in a curved line coming in towards the chin. Now from here, as we come over on the left, we're going to curve this line down for the torso. We're going to close this off with a curved line from left to right. And then moving over, we're going to arch this over and back down. In the middle, let's draw in a straight line coming up. We're going to draw in two hearts for the buttons on the cardigan on the left-hand side. So we're going to draw one on the top, stepping down slightly, replicating that again. Now for the belt in the middle, we're going to draw in two straight lines coming up, creating a small square. And then for the buckle, just two more lines, creating a small thin rectangle on the left and right hand side. Let's draw in the sleeves now. So from the chin, we're going to bring this line out, down, over, and in. We'll do the same on the right. From the middle, we're going to curve this line up on both sides. Now for the wrist, bringing this line down, across, back up, just creating a smaller rectangle. Let's close off the hair behind now. So we're going to curve this line out and in towards the middle. And then again, as we move down, curving this over and through towards the center. And then from that point, just bringing this back down towards the sleeve. Let's move down and draw on our hands. So we're going to come down and draw on a small bracket on the inside. For the thumb, we're going to curve this around and through towards the wrist. Let's move back down again, curving this around and back up. Moving up again, curving this over and through. And then again, just arching this around towards the wrist, closing off our hand. Now let's come in towards the middle for the pants. We're going to draw in a curved line right in the center. From here, we're going to draw in 2 diagonal lines coming out from the middle. Stepping over on the side, we're going to draw in another diagonal line coming out on the left and right hand side. And then we're just going to close that off with a curved line from left to right. Now in the middle for the hearts on the knee, we're going to curve this around and in. And then stepping over from the center on the right, curving that back around and in towards the middle. Now for the pockets, we're just going to draw in a small curved line on the left and right hand side. Now let's draw in the ankles. So we're going to curve this around, back in. For the shoe, moving down on the inside, curving this over and through towards the outside. Closing this off, we're going to curve this out and then bringing that over and in towards the top. Let's close off the sole of the shoe now by arching this line over. On the top here, we're going to curve this line down. And that is it. That's how you draw romance from K-pop Demon Hunters. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, And that is it. That's how you draw romance from K-pop Demon Hunters. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.